With LetyShops, you can earn cashback on purchases from over 3,000 online retailers, including major brands. In this article, I will provide an overview of the service and explain how to effectively use it to get the most out of your shopping experience. Step 1. Register for LetyShops through this page. Step 2. Choose the store where you want to shop. After entering the subpage of a specific store, you will find out what percentage of return you can count on, what are the conditions for receiving cashback, and when you can expect it. Step 3. Click the Go to Store button and shop. For the refund to be correctly calculated, it is best to disable ad blocking tools for this time and accept cookies on the store's website. LetyShops offers cashback from a wide range of online stores, including popular retailers such as Aliexpress, Booking, Walmart, SHEIN, Ikea and Etsy. These stores represent a diverse selection of categories available on LetyShops. Users can easily search for their preferred store by name or browse through the list of available categories. How to get more cashback. To maximize your cashback earnings when shopping online, take advantage of the various options offered by LetyShops. One such option is the Hot Cashback feature, which increases cashback rates by several dozen %. You can easily identify these offers by looking for the Hot Cashback designation next to the regular cashback rate. LetyShops also offers a loyalty program for regular users, which includes 3 levels of increased cashback in each store. This program is permanent, and your status will not be affected by any cashback withdrawals. Lety Bronze. If your account accumulates more than $10 in cashback, your base cashback will be increased by 10%. Lety Silver. If you accumulate more than $50 in cashback, your base cashback will be increased by 20%. Lety Gold. If you accumulate more than $150 in cashback, your base cashback will be increased by 30%. LetyShops also offers a convenient plugin for Chrome, Firefox, and Opera desktop versions to make earning cashback even easier. The plugin will notify you of cashback bonuses available at the store you are shopping at, and the amount of cashback you can earn. To use it, simply click on Activate Cashback and make your purchase. For more information on how the plugin works,